Hi everybody, today I am going to show you how to create this animation in Canva. So let's start. First of all, search here Urban Secret. After that, go on graphics section and take one image from here like wait, I'm selecting. Okay, so I am taking this one. Okay, after that, increase the size of the image and search here. Okay. Okay, so if you have not got results animated, so you can go on filters, select animated. Here you can see all the results are animated. So I am taking this person here and leave this image. Decrease the size, make it normal. So after that, go on animate and click on create animation and drag it to the last. Okay, select the steady. Now you can see that animation is first animation is ready. So after that, let's do a second animation. Again, search here Urban Street and go on graphics. After that, take any image you like. Wait, I'm not selecting this one. So as I'm selecting this one and increase the size of the image. After that, again search here, walking and go on graphics. I'm taking this person here. After that, click on background image, go on animate, click on create an animation. So select your background image and do this, drag this like this to the end of the corner. Wait, so I think that it's not done correctly, so let's do it again. Like this. Okay, so now our animation is ready. Wait, go on original, select steady. Done. And now check the final result. Let's move on the third animation. So again, search here Urban Secret. Go on graphics. Okay, so let's take this one. Increase the size. After that, search here. So after that, search here Moto. Enter. Go on graphic. Okay, so let's take this one. Decrease the size and wait a second. Okay, good. Increase the duration and duplicate the page. Now click on the background and increase the size like this, and take your motto to here and increase the size of motto. After that, add transition, match and move, duration full, and let's check the final result. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to learn more about Canva.